So here where I end up, I don't know, it's beautiful all around here. Have a look. Where all the water falls. And there's benches all around that you can relax. This is what they call the sea. It's quite busy. Nice. Even here, different lights comes up. Beautiful. You can see, so relaxing.
All the stations
There we go. It's all water. You walk along through it. It's really nice. It's so refreshing. Having fresh air. You see the guys. Also the kids climbing up there. That's where I am. There's benches all around that you can sit down if you want. Summertime should be very nice to be here as well. I never go around here before summertime. So I don't know where am I gonna end up. There's all the securities all around. See? All the benches. You can sit down and relax. Yeah, I'm covering the camera. See all this. This is like you're in the other country. I feel like I'm in Hong Kong. With all this all around tall buildings. Now I know where I am. I found myself where I am now. The way to go back where I'm going back. Because where I came, I don't know that I never been there before. I don't know, that's a beautiful place in there. And you know why I know? Because this is now the Julie Line station. As you can see, that's the tube there. And see. On the way out there, and I don't know where the gate is. And this is the bar, the Alchemist. I'll show you before. But it's all shut now. And here is the main entrance, all the way to go up to the street over there. As you can see, all the watches. And I came here like 10 to 5, quarter to 5, and then now it's 20 to 8 in the evening. I enjoy it though. You see all around are old benches that you can sit down. It's old bars all around there before. And shopping center that I went in before, inside there. But it's different gate as well. You go in, you go out. Like me, I got lost. Yeah, called it One Canada Square Shopping Center. In there, inside the underground. I'm gonna go up now. All the way up. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.